Alright, you see this right here? I'm going to attempt to jump this.
This is gonna suck.
Fuck. Butt cheeks. Ow. I have a bruise on my hand. Ew, what the fuck is this? Come here. Come here. It looks like somebody killed the jizz monster and threw it in the fucking trash can.
What the fuck?
Yeah, the cheese monster jizzed in the fucking trash can. Look at that.
Damn.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, let's attempt that one more time.
Alright, let's attempt this one more time.
Boopty 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 boop 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 boop.
Fuck.
Failed attempts. Attempt again.
I want to hurt my butt. Butt already hurt.
Come on, cheese monster. Yes. Use those hog arms.
I am now going to climb that tree.
Boop. Oh yes, climb that tree. Climb it like you love it.
Oh, Tarzan.
Oh, that.
Jumping on my wood.
Oh god.
Oh shit. If I die in this tree,
The tree's coming with me.
I want you to chop this wood down and make it into a log cabin. Remember me by if I die in this tree.
Oh, log cabin, put your dead body in it.
Make sure the doorknob's made out of my ball sacks.
Oh, yes.
I made it out alive.
Oh,
Now this is going to be epic. I'm going to jump over that wall right there. Show them how big that wall is.
Boop.
Oh.
Challenge it. Talent.
You're just jealous.
Wasn't that amazing?
That was so amazing. Oh yeah.
Yeah, just record the ground while we're walking.
Neighborhood is awesome.
Oh yeah, look at all those cars.
Look at that shit.
Look at that shit.
Look at this beautiful face. Look at it.
You get close up.
Just being all of it. Yes. Alright.
It's kind of cold out here today.
It's kind of cold out here. My balls are shivering and they're turning into little ice cubes. This is my backyard, which used to be a fence here. Since it's so ghetto, we had to tear it down.
Look at that backyard. Nothing. Shit. Nada.
Who wants to see my penis today?
Oh, man.
My oversized penis.
Portable.
Come here, Mike.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Run away. Oh.
Who the fuck drinks Diet Coke out in the rain?
Me.
Let's go out running in the rain, drinking my Diet Coke and my fat ass.
Look at that swing. Yes.
Oh, awesome. My favorite ride ever.
Oh, God, I'm so
Park right here. Pay like $50 to climb this shit.
Why the fuck is there a bag in that tree? What the fuck? I'm gonna get
Pollution.
it's like,
Fuck the polluters.
look at that truck. Yeah.
The bastard! Well, YouTube, that was enough for Lewis. You, Mike's, whatever, Mew. That meow.
out.
Living Mike's videos today. Peace out.